Okay. So, see. Okay, fine. So first of all, related to Java. Okay, so as we are going to work on Selenium, right? Selenium with Java, right? So, first of all, Java means Java is a very big thing actually. No need to learn all the things actually. If you want to work in Selenium, you need to know about string handling, okay, and collections. Okay, and what is that actually? You need to know about the OOPS concept. Okay, so first we'll start from the OOPS concept. Okay, so what do you mean by OOPS concept actually? OOPS means it's an object-oriented programming concept, right? Right. So generally people will always use a class, object, right? Abstractions, right? Polymorphism,
Inherit.
Right. Inheritance.
Abstraction.
Okay, and one more. Abstraction, inheritance, encapsulation.
Encapsulation.
Okay, so people will always say this, class, object, right? Abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulations. So mostly they'll be roaming on here only. So the main concept is AEIP. That's the main thing actually. AEIP.
Okay.
We need to go on this one. Story is, yeah, AEIP. So story is
for remembering purpose, you are telling this.
Right. It's for easy to remember actually. AEIP.
AEIP.
Yeah. So what do you mean by class actually? Class is a kind of template we can say. It's a template. What do you mean by template? For example, I could say furniture. Okay. Furniture means it's a wooden furniture or steel furniture or anything. Maybe we can made up of some kind of what is that lightweight materials with the help of the plastic also we can made the furniture. But the thing is, furniture is a kind of template. Template I can say actually. But if we go to in the real time, what we will say? No, that's a chair, sofa, right?
Yeah.
Sofa. So that is nothing. It's a object. Give me 1 minute. Then I can take the one later. So furniture is a kind of template. Chair, sofa. What about the other thing? Like other thing, we can say lot of other furnitures, sofa, and lot of other things also, right? So these are all the objects actually. Again, you'll be getting the doubt actually. Why we are saying is a class? Why we are saying is an object? Class is the template. It means the high level one. For example, human. If we are saying human means what actually? Maybe a male or female or unknown gender. Right? So yes. The male is the object, female is the object, unknown is the object. Okay, but common level we are calling as the human or furniture. So
class is a common name.
Class is a common name. It's a template, we can say. Template. For example, for example, we are making chapati. We are making chapati, puri, and barota. But what is the source for this?
All comes under the wheat flour.
Right. That's the thing. So wheat flour is the class.
Puri and the objects are chapati, puri.
Right. That's the instance actually. We can say in object-oriented name, we can say is the object, or we can say instance. Okay. Why we are saying instance? Because we need to, do we need to allocate any space for this one for the class? No need to put any space actually. Because we are not saying, it's a kind of always a template actually. It's a template. Template means just one item is there, but we are not knowing what it is going to be. what is that? Wheat flour is ready. But we are not sure whether it is going to be chapati or puri or paratha. We are not sure about that actually. Or samosa. We are not sure. But when it is going to be a, instance or object, whenever we are making, that time it's going to be a object. Okay. Now you got it?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, fine.
As an object, identify easily.
Sorry? Yeah, okay, fine.
As an object, I know.
Right.
Only this abstraction and encapsulation I'm getting.
Will go. So, and in the class also, in the object also, it must be having some kind of properties and methods. According to properties and methods, chair property would be like, some people they will say, boss, I like pink color, I like green color. Okay, the chair, the handle should be like, something polished manner. Something I need some kind of, that needs to be wrapped up with the cloth. Some people they will say, no, wrapped up should be with the silky cloth. Some people they will say, but that should be, that should be some kind of, a polished one. So that, some kind of colors I want. Something, movable thing, some art type needs to be there in the bottom. What is it actually? It's a property. That's kind of expectation we are, expecting from the particular object. For example, chapati we are making. But I want the chapati in this square shape. I want the chapati in the round shape. I want the chapati in the diagonal triangle type. But all are, it's a chapati, it's an object, right?
Yes.
Right. So
different shapes are called the methods you are saying.
Properties.
Yeah.
And next one is the method means what are the action we can perform it actually using this one. We can move the chair. We can broke the chair. We can throw the chair. What kind of action we can perform on the particular object, or what our action is going to perform by the particular object. That is nothing but it's an object. Okay. So property, object. Got it? Now you got it, right? Now let's go to here as well actually. Let me go and create one small thing actually, Java project. Okay. And Java training. I'm going to create Java training. Finish. I'm going to create the new package. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the new class. What I told actually, it's my class. What my class name is? Wheat flour. Right? Simply I put wheat flour. This is my class. This is my class, right? So what I told actually, my class can have object as well. Right? I can say it's equal to public static void main, because I want to create it like any kind of
argues IRGS.
Yes, I have to do anything. Okay, but if I want to create, this is a template, right? If I want to make it as chapati something, then wheat flour, chapati equal to new wheat flour. Okay, so what is the property of chapati? I can say, what is that? String integer size. What will happen? String color. What is it actually? These are all the property. What is the size of the chapati? What is the color of the chapati? Right?
Yes.
Right. And public void. Okay, what we can do actually, what is the function of the chapati? chapati function is throw something. Okay, we are going to throw something. Just I'm throwing object or throwing anything. I'm just putting the name as something like throwing or playing or making. Okay, it's a method. So here is what we are doing. Actually, we are making the chapati. Making making chapati. Okay, making chapati. It's a method, right? Making chapati is a method. Okay, now tell me, this is the object. This object is having two property, one method. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, now did you get the idea about like what is class, what is object?
Yes. Yes.
Can I create one more object also? One more object like puri something?
Puri equal to
Puri also. Okay, now tell me the size and color they're making is different for chapati and puri. Do you agree then?
yes.
Yes, correct. That is what they say actually. It's an instance. Instance means this is different instance. This is different instance. It means you can say it's a type actually.
Yes.
Okay, and the size and color would be different also. Agree?
Yes.
Yes, that's what here is we are saying actually. Okay, fine. Now every properties, it will be consuming in the programming level. It will be consuming some kind of memory space. If it is integer, how many memory space it will be occupied? Something like 32 bit. If it is string, some memory space it will be occupied. If it is a float, some memory space will be occupied. If it is a double, then it will consuming some memory space. Do you agree this?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Fine. Now, so can we say this both the objects are same?
Objects are different, no?
Agree. That's what. It's different. That's what I say actually. Object is not going to be equal. If it is going to be equal, then both are the same object actually. And both are referring the same. If you are making clone, then only it is going to be the same.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to be, it's a different object actually. It's not same object. That we need to be very much careful. Good. Anyway, we are able to pick it, no issue. What about the abstraction actually? Abstractions, encapsulations. Abstraction means, see, the name itself is clearly say actually. Abstraction means it's a design level. Okay, encapsulation means implementation level.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Abstraction means, okay, and how we can achieve it abstraction with the help of the abstract class. Technically, we can implement with the help of the abstract class and interface. Okay. Abstraction means the design level hiding. Okay. It's a implementation level hiding. What do you mean by design level implementations? Design level means we are going to hide the implementations. We are going to hide the details. What I'm planning to implement it right now, I'm going to hide it. How? Design level itself, I'm going to hide it. Encapsulation means in the implementation level hiding. Implementation means already it is implemented, but I'm going to hide it. How? With the help of the access specifiers. Means public, private, protected, then default access specifier. You must be noted, right? Now let me tell the story.
Public, private, protected, I know.
Sorry? Yeah. Let me tell the story actually. What is this actually? Design level implementation actually. Design level implementation means abstract we can implement with the help of the abstract level interface actually. See, we are not going to say what we are going to implement. We can implement when the program is implemented. I'll write the program here. Now don't go with the book definition. Okay, simple statement. Abstraction means design level hiding. Now now I will create the program. Now new. Don't go with the program exercise. Okay, now think about that actually. Report. Okay, reports I just created. Okay, I just created report. Okay, and I am going to mention the string. Okay, format. Okay, now tell me. Okay, there is one report. Okay, some report. Some what we can say second of blood report. Okay, blood report. So generally, blood report. We are going to the hospital. They are asking us. I want to see. I want to put some kind of injection. Okay, give me. What did you say? It means yeah. So there is one interface. It's a blood report. Okay, hospital is saying this, boss. Before you put the COVID Covaxin injection, I need your report. Doctor is he's asking, okay, what kind of report you are looking? Blood report is fine, but I have the on paper also I have one in PDF, one in JPEG, okay, one in what is that WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp also I have one report, one plain mail also I have report. Which format you are looking? Okay, but do you know in the statement? Do you know what kind of format? What kind of format the report is there? Do you know here? The report may be PDF format, JPG format, or Excel format, right? Or text format, right? Or in maybe in the mail format, right? Or paper format. Agree? The report may be in any format, but from this statement, are you able to understand anything? What kind of report format?
Yes.
Sorry,
Format spelling.
Yeah, that's what format wrong. Sorry, give me format. Yeah. So what kind of format it is actually? Do you know that? You don't know that actually, right? The report format may be anything.
Yeah.
Okay, the report format anything. Maybe PDF, JF, JPG, Excel, text, mail format, anything.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now, but how we come to know that actually that is what the statement is saying. This design level hiding. Design level itself. This is in design level. Here itself we are hiding. Then when we come to know, whenever you are implementing the statement. Okay, suppose for example, I want to implement it this means. I want to implement here means what we have to do? I have one class, doctor class. That doctor class, what we have to do? Implements. Blood report. So what did it say actually? Then here is we need to implement it actually. Okay, what we have to write the code here. Oh, boss, this is what is that? This is PDF report. Okay, here is I had written the dummy code. Okay, this is dummy code. That's what. This is PDF report. So when we come to know that actually at the time of implementation we come to know, but the design level, are you able to see anything? No, you're not able to see anything. That is what they are saying is the design level hiding. We can achieve it with the help of the interface or with the help of the abstract class also.
Okay.
Similarly, for abstract class, we can do that actually. How we can do that? Abstract class? Same. Class is abstract here. Okay, now the same thing I'm going to copy paste here. Now can we say this one? Bus, what kind of report it is by seeing this statement? No. In the comment section, I have mentioned anything.
Yeah.
From the comment section, that is
We
raised.
don't know how the report would be.
Right.
We check.
Right. Because it's a design only. Right now, it is in design phase, not in implementation phase. When we are going to implement it, it's going to implement it here only. This is implementation. Implementation means the actual functionality is written in the method or function. This is implementation.
Yes. So
Okay.
it will implement the blood report as PDF file.
Right.
PDF form.
We can say anything actually. We can create one more class and we can extend it. Then we can do that.
JPG file or Excel file.
Right. Whatever they want actually. We can implement it accordingly. That is what this is calling abstraction.
Action.
Next one is the encapsulation actually. Encapsulation means we can hide the detail. We can hide the detail. We can hide the detail by using the access specifier. For example, I have one class. One class is what is that? School. Okay. I have one method, private method. P. Okay. Public void admission. Okay. You see here is what about this one? This is the what is that actually? This is the method, right? There is some implementation here. P for LGG 35K. I'm just putting the rough definition. Admission is available for LGG. Okay, now see. Now, this is a school. School is, I'm going to create one object. What will happen? School, students, stud1 is equal to new school. Okay. Now, this method, can we access this particular method? The object, this particular student1, right? Student1, can they access this method?
Yes.
Let me try. Stud1, right? Stud1, right? Stud1, right? STUD start stud1. You see here is, it is piece method. Private is a piece. They can, yeah, piece. Now if I'm running, yeah, now it is running. Similarly, stud 1 admission.
Admission.
I'm just running right now. This is also okay, no issue. Now, it's a same class, right? This is the same class. It means school people within the school level, they can do that actually. For example, okay, mediator. Give me a minute. Mediator. I will explain one more time.
Okay.
Public, static, the class name is mediate, right? Static, void.
இந்த அவ்வளவுதான். போய் பெருமனை கூட இரு, அம்மா வரேன். டிவி பாரு, அம்மா வரேன். இல்ல இல்ல வர்றேன், நீ போய் உட்காரு போ. வரேன் வரேன், நீ போய் பெருமை கூட இரு, சத்தம் வர. சரி போ.
Now let's see. Okay. Now previously what we seen actually previous cases is single class only, right? Single class. Single class is a school class only actually. So school class having one method is fees, another method is admission.
Okay.
Same class level, right? Because in the school level, suppose you are working in the school, you are planning to put the admission for your student, for your children. What they will do? They will be ready to share your, all the detail, like admission detail, right? And fees, everything they are ready to share. But if they are putting through mediator, means what they will do? They will be hiding some information actually.
Yeah, correct.
Maybe they may share the they may share some of the information. Like, suppose if you are working in this, like, if you're working as the clerk means in the school, you can see this transaction details. Daily, how many admissions are going on, how much amount is, debited in the.
They are receiving and all.
Right. That information,
They can
as a
clap.
school people, you know that actually. School people, as a clerk, you know that actually.
Yeah.
But the mediator needs a broker. Broker people, okay, broker people, what they are doing actually, they are putting the admission, okay. They are putting the admission. Are they able to access this fees details? Yes, they are ready to share the fee. Are they able to access this particular admission method? They are ready to share. Are they ready to share this transaction detail with the broker?
No.
Why? That's a problem, right? Why do they need to share this information?
Yeah.
That's what we are hiding this.
Issues if they share with the mediator.
Agree. Right. See, for example, you are having the bank, okay, you are keeping some kind of bank, okay, bank account actually, okay. You are trying to purchase some kind of laptop through Amazon. Okay. In the Amazon, you are entering your credit card and debit card details. So Amazon can access only the particular amount, 30,000 with 30,000 only they will be accessing. Is bank going to share all the details, boss? How much amount Kavita is getting the salary? What is her address? What amount he did the transaction for last month? And what is the bank balance? Are they going to share all the information with Amazon?
No.
Yes, that's a wrong, right? They can share only boss 30,000 you want, no problem. She's having the amount, I will give that. That's all.
Yes.
I'm not ready to share all the details. That is what this concept is. Encapsulation.
Encapsulation. Okay.
Getting? So
yes.
Public means anyone can see.
Yes.
Private means same class people. The first class I created, right? Same school people only. School people you can see. You can know that again. If you're working as a clerk.
That school people know that. But class only we can count.
Right. If you are other people means, then that will go to the protected mode or default mode.
Okay.
Getting? That is what. If I am creating this one, mediator M is equal to M dot. Am I able to see the admission method? Yes?
Yes.
Fees method?
Yes.
Why I am able to see the fees method? Because that is public. This is also public. What about the transaction method? Why I am not able to see the transaction method? Because that is private. Right. That is what we are saying. This is the encapsulation.
Encapsulation. Okay.
Are you sure about this one? Abstraction encapsulation?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Clear.
Now, inheritance actually. Inheritance means this
the
is
parent's property.
Parent class. This is my child class.
Yes.
Right? So the parent class and child class are inherited with the help of the extends keyword.
Okay.
What will happen? Okay, what will happen? Public void extra fees. Okay, so what will happen? The mediator subclass, this is child class. They are able to access. Okay, they are able to access these two methods plus this one method. Because why they are having such kind of thing? Because inheritance. The process of acquiring the parent class property plus holding the class properties or methods. That is nothing but inheritance. So inheritance can be done by extends keyword or implements keyword. Why we are saying extend keyword? This is a class. This is a class. So class can be extended. Please listen carefully. Class can be extended.
Extended.
Okay. Class interface can be implemented.
Implemented.
That is what I did it here. The doctor one. This is also we can say it's a kind of inheritance. Okay. This is implementing. Why implementing? It's an interface. Getting?
Yeah.
Class interface. Getting?
Yeah.
Okay. Then. Now, next one is a polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms. That is can be done by method overriding, method overloading. Okay.
Method overriding and method overloading.
They give only one minute. Yeah. So this can be implemented by method overriding and method overloading. The name itself clearly saying what is this method overriding and overloading. Overriding means generally what is that actually? I have one class. The class name is parent. Okay. I have one class, okay. And I have one class is child, okay. Extends, parent. Okay, what I'm doing actually, generally, I'll go to the real-time scenario. We must be studied in very disciplined manner, okay. So what we will do whenever the child is going for school, ask, beta, sorry, you have to be very much disciplined. Something will be giving the guidelines to them actually. Be very disciplined because that time I am very disciplined. So please be very disciplined. That's what parent will say. But the child, what they will do when they go to the school, they will do what they want. So what they are going to do? They are whatever the instruction they set by parent, they are overriding that actually. Overriding means we are saying we are giving some behavior.
But they won't follow.
Agree. Overriding. Overriding means the method is or the whatever the functionality we said, that is override. Override. What will happen? Here is we are saying some behavior, but child is behaved with some other manner. Automatically, this is taking the dominance.
Okay.
That is what method overriding. So we are asking them to read it from left to right. They may say, no, I will read it from right to left. So the behavior is changing. When it will happen? Will it happen in front of us? No. At the time of runtime. At the time of runtime. At the time of school time. So that is what we are giving is a runtime polymorphism. Okay? Getting? Method overriding is again a runtime polymorphism. Okay? And
Overloading.
method overloading. Overloading means same name, different number of type of argument actually. Okay? Or we can say Baroda. Baroda class. Okay? It's a class. Baroda string a simple thing is now this we can say it's a plain parota. Okay, this is a very simple. What is that? It's a plain parota. That is one method, is a very plain paratha. Here is one more paratha we are going to create it like, with the aloo. Means like, with the potato. Okay. Here is, we can say, something like potato and string carrot. This is another paratha. Right? And again, we can say, plus I can mix it one more also, like, string beans. What we can say, this is another paratha. Now, boss, I don't want this one. I want to, like, mix it with some kind of, chicken. And what is that? Oil, anything like, chicken and something like corn. I'm just saying, okay, I'm not sure about that. I'm not expert. I'm just saying actually. Give me a minute. Chicken, corn, okay, and integer size. So what is it actually? This is only a, if you are passing potato, it's a potato paratha. If you are passing potato and carrot, it's one type of paratha. Potato, carrot, and bean, it's one type of paratha. Here is, chicken we are passing, corn we are passing, and we are saying size is something like, bus, I want the size is something like 2 inch, 3 inch, something like, or I want the size, triangle size, or something like rectangle size, or, round size, something. But all are is a paratha, right? So now tell me that actually same name, right? Same method name. Can we say this is a method? Yes, it's a method. Same method name, different type of argument, different number of argument. That is nothing but it's a method overloading.
Oh.
One argument, two argument, one argument, two argument. Again, you will be getting the doubt. Bas,
Same method, but different arguments.
different type of argument. This is also string. One string, two string, three string. One string, two string. Third one is the integer.
Yes, correct.
That is what we are saying is a method.
That overloading.
Yes. Now did you get it actually what I mean here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what the OOPS concept. Let's see. Okay, just study this one. Let's see going forward, how the things are implemented in our, the framework level, everything. You will come to know that actually. Okay. You are getting right. Hopefully, you got the idea.
OOPS concept, I can understand.
Sure. Okay, let me start and stop it because I have the calls also here, so I have to go for the call.
Okay.